Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important questions, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of this video. Okay, so how you can get the question? See, you have to visit the website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you have to select math important questions. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay friends, coming back to the problem, see what is given here. We have to obtain the graph of y equal to minus of x minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 4. Okay, and this transformation has to obtain from y equal to x cube graph. So if you see, there are four options given. The original function is graphed in green. So this line is showing y equal to x cube, and the transform function is graphed in blue. So we have to find which one is the correct option. Okay. So how we can solve? See, first, the original function is given as y equal to x cube. So we are assuming y equal to fx equal to x cube, and the function to be obtained, let it be gx, and it is equal to minus of x minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 4. So in order to obtain the graph of gx from fx, from graph of fx, following transformation shall be performed. So step by step we will see how we can obtain the graph of gx from the graph of fx. Okay. So first graph of fx, that is x y equal to x cube, shall be plotted. Okay. And this will be like this one. So this is the graph of y equal to x cube. Okay. This is our basic graph. Now we will draw a graph of y equal to px, which is equal to minus of x cube. Okay, so minus of x cube. So we have to take y as negative of the function fx. Okay, so for that, what we can do, we can take reflection of fx about the x-axis. So the reflection of this one part will be this part, and reflection of this part about x-axis will be this part. So this is our graph of y equal to px equal to minus of x cube. Okay. Next, see, we will obtain the graph of y equal to qx, which is equal to minus of x minus 1 to the power 3. Okay, and we will obtain this graph from the graph of y equal to px. And how we can obtain? See, here it is minus 1. Okay, in px you can see it is minus x cube, and in qx it is minus of x minus 1 whole to the power 3. So if we shift the graph of px by 1 unit towards the right, we can obtain the graph of qx. So this is our graph of px. Okay, this line. So this orange line is obtained by shifting the graph of px by 1 unit towards right. Okay, towards positive direction of x-axis. So this is y equal to qx, that is equal to minus of x minus 1 raised to the power 3. Okay. Next, we can obtain the graph of gx. Okay, which is the required graphs, that is minus of x minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 4. Okay, and we can obtain this from qx, and qx is minus of x minus 1 raised to the power 3. So we have to shift qx, the graph of qx, by 4 units in upward direction. See, here it is plus 4, so y is increasing by plus 4. So we can shift this orange graph by 4 units toward positive y axis. Okay, in the upward direction. So this line, it is showing y equal to gx graph, which is equal to minus of x minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 4. Okay, so this is required graph. Now we are showing only y equal to fx equal to x cube and y equal to gf equal to minus of x minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 4 on the graph as below. So this is our required graph of gx and this is our original graph in green. Okay, so correct option will be option number D. Okay, friends. So in this lecture, we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.